So this is day 16 of coding every day. Um, I think I might have fixed the microphone a little bit, but I'm just gonna try to do some final touches to my web server project. Um, for the most part, it's pretty good. Uh, got that thread pool implemented and it seems to be working. So I'm just gonna kind of try to clean up any of like the logging stuff. Um, or just like this like well, I can leave that in this, but like it's under thread pool where like let's say like handling client, deconstructed, task queued, setting to handle, looking at queue, exiting, and then like uh, I think I also print out the response somewhere. Uh, oh yeah, and then I print out like the response as well. And then I think I also print out when I receive it. Okay, I do. So I'm gonna try to clean that up, add some comments here and there. But that's really the plan for today. Tomorrow, I'll probably hook up my Arduino and try to get that working. Start working on some embedded projects. But let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with just deleting all this stuff. Oh my god, this, this, um, getting rid of Q, getting rid of this, getting rid of deconstructed, handling client, getting rid of the printing the buffer, getting rid of printing the response. Get rid of that. That looks like that's everything on this one. Let me just look here. Close that for now. I'll close client connected. I'm gonna delete these and then I'll leave that for now because I do plan to use that. So you failed, mine failed. Yep, yep, yep. Yep. I mean, there really should be nothing in these, so like, let's check out just the server header. Yeah. I think I might come back and I think I might come back, sorry. I think I might come back later and probably do like kind of organize it a little bit differently where I'll do like the server class right here. I'll do just the server class but without the thread pool and all the multi-threading and then kind of do like an inherited class of like multi-threaded server and then and then like inside that we'll take the thread pool and all that so I have like a so I'll have like basically two classes that you can choose from where like one will be a basic server, no concurrency, like not no multi-threading, and then I'll have like a second class, like a child class of that being like the multi-threaded server that we just finished basically. But so that looks like that's all of them. I'm kind of just gonna go through and add a little bit of comments here and there just so it makes some sense. These are just gonna be helper functions. I don't know why that. I don't know why I did that. Helper functions. Yep, yep. Kind of whatever. Anything in here? Well, I don't need these anymore. Yep, I don't need these anymore. Um, okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna redo all this. So creating thread pool, 10 threads, creating server with local IP and port starting server with Dreadful. Yeah, that's really that right there. Um, this I'll leave. We'll go through here. Basically, and then I don't know why it says but lock them. So create threads in, inside vector. Call it worker vector. Um, I mean this seems pretty explanatory. Locks data until wait to see if stop is true or a task is added. Um, yep, stopped. Yeah, because if something is exited, and then here just takes the tasks client, it's called descriptor from queue, runs the client. Maybe I shouldn't call it task list then, because it's not really a list of tasks. It's more of like a list of clients. So I might change it to client list. Actually, I probably will, but just for now, runs the client into handle function. Actually, I just will. First here, since it's really a list of clients. Oops, really wish I could spell. Client list. Yep. Save that. Then I'll come here. Client. If I could spell, it's a client list or just do client. Uh, client. 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 I think the only time that's used, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the only time that's used. So I'll just go from here. Queuing clients to run handle client on. Pretty self-explanatory. Oh, I see what this is doing. It's locking this queue. Ah, I see. So it's locking the queue to make sure, like, so like this whole brace right here is locked basically. And this is when it's looking at the queue. So the queue is technically locked right now. Oh, I see. So the queue is locked just to make sure no like other thread or anything um like takes from the queue or updates the queue while it's being read from, I guess. And then here it locks that queue again, but this time it adds to it just to make sure like it doesn't get messed up while it's adding. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. Buys a thread. Yep, remove thread. And this locks it to make sure like um nobody messes with stop. Uh-huh. I see. I don't need a comment for that. That's really self-explanatory. Um, buys all threads to join to join main thread, ensuring completed task. And then this shouldn't just have comments. And then instead of buffer, I'll call this response. Response. Or not response. Request. 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 Um, request. Request. Yep, and then if it errors, it closes. Q. Yep, it sends the response inside the handle request. Request response. Okay, cool. And also, what I was kind of thinking about too is that I could also make fun, like error pages, like HTMLs, like inside this one it says 400 bad request. I could do like a 400.html instead of saying this is an index file. It says like 400 bad request and like 404 unknown. Some in the future, I'm not really 100% super interested in like web development, so that's probably be something if I do in the future. But if not, get sends bad request. Yep, sends okay request before filling body. Yep, the file is en route, then echoes the client. Perfect. And I'll just save that. Look at the server. This should have everything basically, kind of, because I'm pretty sure I did that. And then like these are self-explanatory. Let me just break this, and I'll just add this. Ads, ads accepted client to red pool list. I mean, kind of self-explanatory once again. And then honestly, I wouldn't really normally, um, what's it called, comment this much, but just trying to new habits so I can actually making sure I understand what's actually happening. Um, so far though, everything looks pretty good. Status, I still have the status just in case. Yeah. Um, I think I could I do this? Nope, wasn't sure. Because I think in for loops you can, or like, yeah, for loops, I'm pretty sure you can also define stuff, like if you only want to use it in the scope of the loop. So I think you can also in if statements, I'm not 100% sure. But, so, just a final test to make sure everything works. What I'll do, I'll just do this, just to make sure it's completely fresh. Get new build files in the make, ignoring that for now. Sitting out on port, and then let's see if it works. I'm gonna pull this up for you guys to see it as well. Um, here you go. Yep, and just give me that 127. Yeah. Okay, cool. Slash lol. Slash it. Where, could I do spaces? Wait, based on my code, inside the thread pool. No, I can't because I look for the what's it called? I look for the next space. So I couldn't do spaces, but I could do. Oh, that's fun. But I think this is gonna be the end of the web server. I'm trying to think. Is there anything else I really want to do before I finish this up? Um, let's see. Uh, I think that might just be it, honestly. Maybe, maybe I'll add a README. Trying to think if I really, not really 100% sure how to do a README though is the only issue. Let's see. I wonder if there's like a little like, kind of like README, um, like a little like, not, like a little, sorry, I'm blanking. Uh, README formatting. Um, let's see. Make a README. Why should I make it? Who should make it? We're gonna, especially if you want others to use it or contribute. Making it the first file you create in a new project. Where should I put it? Top level directory. Yep. It's most common. Markdown and allows you to add some language. Okay. 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 So I guess I'll try doing a README. Let me close this though. So it's gonna be in the base, and then so let's see. I think okay. Yeah. I think they said they. I think it wants to just do .md. So do I want to do it here? Uh, or md.swap. Oh, I think this is. Oops. Yeah, then the swap's gone. I think I'll just do it here. Okay. So for the title, so I'll probably just do a name, self-explanatory. Um, oops. The header, I'll call it multi-threaded. Yeah, that's fine. Um, let's see. Uh, I think I can't spell. I don't even know if this was implemented. Definitely just gonna copy and paste. Oh, what's that spell it? Um, yep. And then I'll just do like description. I'll just do like multiple clients concurrently. Um, if root file then displays an index HTML, otherwise echoes file to client. Excuse me. Um, let's see. I guess there's also like a usage, or this. So I'm looking at this little like makeitreadme.com just to kind of get an idea. But I want to get into habit of making readmes just so I can like I want to get into the habit of making readmes so I can like for future projects and stuff. And then so let's see for usage, I guess. Examples liberally and show expected output again. Okay, usage, and then let's see into like you can also do like little code snippets with 1, 2, 3, 3 tildes. Ooh, I don't know what C++ is. It might be CPP. I'm not 100% sure. Um, uh, so triple backticks. Uh, readme C++ code code blocks. Let's see. JavaScript. Okay, maybe it's CPP then. I think it is CPP. That's what it looks like on the thing I just looked at. And then 1, 2, 3. But inside this, it's going to be. So what does my main look like? Uh, include these two. I feel like I can just copy this. Not gonna lie. Just do this, and then come down back to my main. And then I'll do thread pool equals thread pool number threads. Number of threads for x. And then, okay, I'll just do this. And then inside here, I'll just do address insert IP address. It is an IP4 specifically, I guess, as strings. And then run method start server with thread pool instance. And then I think that's it for usage. And then licenses. I think I'll just do MIT to be honest. So I'm just gonna copy this. And then I think that might really be it. I'll have to see if this came out how I looked on my GitHub, but I mean the code's working how I intended, so looks like that is gonna be it for today. I'll probably start my Arduino stuff and some embedded stuff tomorrow. Um, I might come back and add some more features to this web server, but hoping I fix the mic a little bit, but probably gonna be it for today. And then, yep, I'll see you tomorrow.